Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to print the alphabet F. In this program we are going to take input from the user for asking rows, and in that much row our alphabet F will be printed. Now we'll execute the program to see, and our alphabet F in 5 rows has been printed. Now we'll get back to our code. Here we have defined a function print underscore letter underscore F, and we have passed the parameter rows. Now for iterating over each position, we have used for nested loops. So the outer loop iterates over each row in the given rows, and the inner loop iterates over each column in the given rows. And the inner loop then checks that if it is the first alphabet of the row or the first column of the row, then it will print asterisk, or if it is the top row or the middle row, then also the asterisk will be printed, or else the space will be printed. And iterating over each position, after each position is iterated, then a new line will be printed. Now for taking input from the user for the rows, we are using the input function and prompting enter the number of rows for the letter F, and for converting that input into integer, we are using the integer function and storing the value in the rows, and then we are calling our function print underscore letter underscore F, and then we are passing our argument rows. Now I'll again execute the code to see, and now you can see a much bigger alphabet F here. Thanks for watching the video.